Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to remove the Powered by Shopify message from your store. This small change can help you give your store a more professional and polished look. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify account and navigate to the online store section of your dashboard. From there, click on Themes and then click on the Actions drop-down menu for your active theme. Select Edit Code. Next, locate the Sections folder and click on footer.liquid. This will open up the code editor for the footer section of your store. Scroll down until you see the Powered by Shopify code. It should be near the bottom of the file. Select the entire code block and delete it. Once you have deleted the Powered by Shopify code, click on the Save button and then close the code editor. That's it. You have successfully removed the Powered by Shopify message from your store. If you're using a paid Shopify plan, you can also use custom code to add to your own custom footer message. To do this, simply add the desired code to the footer.liquid file in the code editor. If you have any questions or suggestions, please let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful Shopify tutorials.